Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove Tesla Model 3 hubcaps. First, gather your tools. You will need a plastic pry tool or a flathead screwdriver wrapped in a soft cloth to prevent scratches. Also, have a microfiber towel ready to protect your wheel. Always ensure your vehicle is parked on a level, stable surface before you begin. Safety is paramount, so take a moment to prepare your workspace properly. This initial setup will make the entire process much smoother and safer for you. Now let's get to the removal. Look closely at the edge of your hubcap. You will find a small notch. This is your starting point. Gently insert your plastic pry tool or your cloth-wrapped screwdriver into this notch. Apply light, consistent pressure. Slowly work your way around the hubcap, carefully prying it away from the wheel. Take your time and avoid sudden, forceful movements to prevent any damage to the hubcap or the wheel itself. Patience is key here. Here are some pro tips for a smooth removal. Always apply even pressure as you pry. This prevents bending or cracking the hubcap. As the hubcap begins to detach, use both hands to support it, ensuring it doesn't fall and get damaged. Once removed, store your hubcaps in a clean, dry, and safe place. You might even consider wrapping them in a soft cloth to prevent any scratches or scuffs while they are not on your vehicle. These small steps make a big difference. When you are ready to reinstall your hubcaps, align them carefully. Make sure the hubcaps cut out for the valve stem lines up perfectly with the valve stem on your wheel. Then, press firmly and evenly around the entire circumference of the hubcap until you hear a satisfying click, indicating it's securely in place. For maintenance, regularly clean your hubcaps with mild soap and water. This simple routine will keep them looking great and extend their lifespan for many years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.